supposed to be in a crocheting class right now, and I'm running late. Today is officially Vlogmas Day 5. Let's just say that my attempt at crocheting was an epic fail. I'm going to take my homework home tonight. Look at this hair. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to take my homework home tonight and try to do YouTube crocheting for dummies, and hopefully I'll get somewhere. But it was not a good look today. I think I was the worst one in the whole class of about 25 students. Yeah. My mind don't work like that. So yeah, I'm sitting out here waiting on my coworker. I told her I'd give her a ride home, but she better come on because she getting ready to get left behind. Because I got to get home before the sun get too low, because this driving at night is getting to be treacherous for me. I don't know what's going on with my eyes. I got them checked just a couple weeks ago, and she basically said they was fine, and my prescription didn't even really change much, but my night vision is getting worse for sure. And don't let it be raining.
Causing my red blood cells to become null, which isn't a good thing, and thus it out that my thyroid.
So this is me here watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Laura Try, while I should be editing this video that you're currently watching. I'm sitting on my bum watching YouTube.
To do the slip knot. So to do a slip knot, you want to take the end of your yarn and wrap it around your finger, bring it forward to make an X. Pinch that in your hand that's holding the yarn, grab the yarn that's attached to the ball and wrap it around your finger, and again pinch in between your finger and thumb. Take the back loop and bring it over the front loop, and there you have your slip knot.
How to do the chain stitch.
We're then going to take our crochet.
I just want to say for the record, today, like I said, I was in class and I felt like a complete idiot trying to learn how to make a simple slip knot. I was just not grasping the concept at all. I don't know if it was the delivery. I had a couple different people try to help me with it, but let's just say it didn't go well. I just watched Bella Coco. Shout out to Bella Coco Crochet on YouTube. She just taught me how to make the knot literally in less than 2 minutes. I got it immediately. I don't know if it was the delivery or what, but
insert it into the slip knot. Pull down on the attached piece of yarn. Okay. So I'll show you that again. You want to go around.
I don't watch this thing 10 times. Let's try this again.
Everything you need to know together.
This is
so
a mess.
Inserted your hook, over, pull through, yarn over, pull through too. I'm going to
I got way further than I got today. I was in that class for an hour, and I would say 40 minutes of that hour was me just trying to figure out how to make the knot. So I'm supposed to be editing my video for today. Thank God for Jose, because as you can see, I've gone down the rabbit trail. I was doing my homework. In my defense, I was doing my homework. You saw me doing my crochet homework. I was watching a video on YouTube, However, when she got to part 2, I was like, listen, but I got the first part of it down packed. Like, I practiced it and I practiced it. I'll pick it up again tomorrow, practice it some more. And so after I did that, though, Sheena, She Meets City, is doing Vlogmas, and I wasn't aware, but because I'm a subscriber, her video was recommended, and I was like, what? She did Vlogmas in a minute. So I started watching her Vlogmas. Thank God for Jose. He called and got me off the rabbit trail. I'm still watching her video, but I actually got up off the couch, went and got my iPad so I can edit this video before it get too late, because I do got to get my tail up in the morning. I don't know, I got like a strange line on my forehead. I don't know what that's about. Like, I got a knot on my head, but I don't. Anywho, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to edit this video while watching Vlogmas Day 3 from She Meets City, because she's one of my faves.